Tree felling or tree surgery work may be permitted on some stands. Any trees which may be felled are clearly marked. Permission to fell trees or carry out tree surgery work must be requested from the APF Chief Coordinator before any felling takes place. All trees felled must be cut to the specifications given, and all produce stacked at roadside for collection after the event. Any trees which are felled and then used for chipping, not cut to specification or unusable, will be charged for at full value. This price is available on request. The exhibitor is responsible for the cost of any tree felling.